First off, please don't come for me because it's 60 degrees outside, and in Michigan that's cold, especially during the summer, so I'm wearing my Patagonia. Spend $100-something on this. I'm going to use it whenever I can. Hi loves, it's me Maddie back again for another video, and I thought I would take it to a throwback. So I'm gonna do a what's in my purse video, also because I need to clean out my purse, and I guess I'll do a what's on my keychain video because I need to figure out what the heck is on my keychain. I guess we'll start with my keychain. So first I have like this little J thing. I got it from Hobby Lobby. It was $1. It was in the clearance section. I have this Bath & Body Works aromatherapy eucalyptus and tea. It's like, I don't know. It's really banged up, but there's like a cute little pink sparkly, I think it's purple, I don't even know. So I started making bracelets and this one turned out really bad. But I put my theater pin on there that we got this year, and I think it's the cutest thing ever and I love it. I have my mail key, my house key, and the door key to the house that I live in. Car key, well, the little key fob thing, and then my actual car key. I have a little princess charm on there because why stop being a princess? Pepper spray. If you guys want a story time on why I carry pepper spray, I'll do it. And then I just have this Vera Bradley like ID lanyard thing, and like my really ugly ID picture for senior year, so. But that's all I keep on my keys. So the purse I'm carrying is the Lululemon. I think this is the Party Om bag. I'm not sure, but I'm doing a Lululemon collection anyway soon. So even if that's wrong, there will be a correction in that video. Bought it used because who was paying $60 for a bag? But I just have this dragonfly charm, and thanks to my mentor Heidi for this. In this back pocket, I have like a little trash can down here just because I know I need to clean it out. Isn't that funny? Trash. Like a straw wrapper. What? That's all for the back pocket. That's so terrible. The first thing I pull out of my purse is trash. Okay, just like me. Unmentionables. So now going in the big compartment, in the big kahuna, I normally have my phone in this middle compartment here because that's your actual phone pocket, but I film on my phone, so my phone is normally in this pocket. So there are like two pockets in here, and then like there's a giant pocket. So in one pocket I have a Bath & Body Works warm vanilla sugar like hand lotion. That's all for that pocket. And then there's just another small pocket, and I just keep like a lip gloss, like a rose hip lip gloss in there. Excuse my nails too. I didn't do them before I filmed. There's Vanilla Bean Burt's Bees, and it's my favorite and I love it. So in the big compartment in the back, I have my inhaler because asthma kills. Asthma kills. Ooh. A peanut M&M's wrapper, a share size, which I know I didn't share because I love food. I have receipts. Literally so many receipts. It's another receipt for gas, and then my wallet, but my wallet is a mess. By the way, I did my own wallet. I just got it from like a discount store, and then I put my jewels on it myself, and I think it's really cute, and I get a lot of compliments on it, which is weird. The empty thing to this Visa gift card, which I have already opened, I have a Wesco bottom part of a gift card, which that's in my car. I have my like braiding bracelet stuff. I make bracelets a lot. I have my headphones, and I bedazzled my headphones just because people at my school used to like to take headphones, and now I have my own, and I know if you take my headphones, because who else just has bedazzled headphones other than me? 2 things of tissue because I was emotional. More receipts. What did I buy? Oh. That's for food. What did I? Oh, I had to return a pair of jeans from American Eagle because they didn't fit. A hairpin. This like Bath & Body Works fragrance mist. It's the Moonstone fragrance mist. I actually like how it smells, so I keep it in my purse. I have countless amount of earplugs. my charger and my block. Sorry to anybody who actually asked me during the year if I had my charger. I did, but I just didn't want to give it to you because people don't give chargers back. I have a Vans sticker because I got some new Vans a week and a half ago. Let's see. 2 things of lip gloss because I don't know why, but I don't need them right now. And then I have toothbrush and toothpaste, like a travel toothbrush and toothpaste, because you don't want your breath to be kicking. But that's all for my purse and everything. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I'm just very glad that I get to film and stuff again. So I am going to be filming through college too, by the way. I love you guys, and bye, loves.